Today I'm going to show you how to make an easy yum chocolate mousse with only these two ingredients, and I've written a blog post with the full step-by-step instructions as well as some variations if you want to take it beyond 2 ingredients, 3, possibly even go crazy, more ingredients, but you can make a very easy, simple chocolate mousse with just these ingredients. So we've got cream. I've got fresh Irish cream here. Use any cream that you can whip up into stiff, white, beautiful, fluffy peaks. And I've got dark chocolate, 85% dark chocolate. I like to make my recipes low carb, keto friendly, but feel free to use any chocolate that you like. So that is what we're going to do. I'm going to get on. First step is melt the chocolate, and what I do is I melt the chocolate with just a couple of tablespoons of our cream. That way it doesn't stick. You can use a double boiler, which is where you put a bowl over bubbling water and it melts the chocolate really slowly, but I'm too lazy for that. I live dangerously and I just melted straight 100 grams of chocolate with a couple of tablespoons of cream, and we're going to get that melted and nice and chocolatey. Okay, I've got my chocolate. I've just broken it up into little pieces. I've got my 2 tablespoons of cream, and I'm just going to pop it onto the absolute lowest heat and very slowly melt it. And as soon as it's melted, we're going to pour it into a bowl. Now you want to keep an eye on it. This is not one of those tasks you walk away from. You can see as soon as it starts melting, give it a good stir and keep stirring to make sure it melts nice and thoroughly and all the way through, and you don't want any burnt bits. It really doesn't take long at all. You just need to keep a close watch on it and give it a good stir along every minute or so, and just wait until all of the chocolate has melted. Chocolate has melted. Oh, look at that. So you're going to pour it out into a bowl now. I've moved the chocolate into a bowl, and we're just going to allow it to cool in here completely. We don't want to add cream into a hot mixture, so we'll allow it to cool, and while it's doing that, I'm going to get on and see to my cream. Okay, my cup of cream is in a bowl, and we are just going to whisk it up until it's thick and white and beautiful. There you go. It's beautiful whipped cream. That is exactly what we want, and this is just how to make whipped cream. So we've got the whipped cream in a bowl, and now we're going to fold the cream into the chocolate. So we're going to move the cream aside. We've got our chocolate back. It's nice and cooled in there. Oh yeah. So the chocolate is there, and now we're going to add the cream about a quarter at a time and fold it through. I've got a quarter of the cream going on, and we just fold it through. You want to just gently get the cream mixed into the chocolate. Oh yeah. And add a little more. And just fold it all through, and this is just super creamy chocolate mousse. Oh. And in the blog post down below, you will find so many yummy variations that you can take this 2 ingredient chocolate mousse and turn it into 3, 4, whatever you want. Once you got the basics, you can do anything with this recipe, and just keep adding a little more. I love these therapeutic type tasks where you're just whisking the cream into the chocolate. Doesn't it look amazing? It's like chocolate therapy. And I've got the last of my cream going in. I brought it in a little closer for you to see all this deliciousness. Look at that. So last little bit, fold it in. So that is all beautifully whisked together. Can you believe there's just 2 ingredients in this chocolate mousse? Quite incredible. And so now I'm just going to move it off into a little bowl for presentation, just because we don't want to really serve it in the mixing bowl, do we? So we'll just pop it in there. Look at that. Oh yeah. You can see it's a thick, beautiful chocolate mousse that's light, and it is so good, so yum. Oh, you can see there's a couple of little bits of chocolate in there that didn't quite melt, but that just makes it extra chocolatey. So I've moved it into its serving bowl. Look at that, that's already a thick, light, airy chocolate mousse. You could definitely pop this in the fridge, or definitely do with a bit of time in the fridge if you're patient enough to thicken up a little bit more and get nice and refrigerated. But that is how to make an easy 2-ingredient chocolate mousse that's sugar-free, low-carb, gluten-free, keto-friendly, everything. It's just a wonderful recipe to have when you need to make a dessert and you've got a couple of allergies to be mindful of. And it makes a great dessert when you want to make something really quickly and all you have really is chocolate cream. You can do it. Look how yum that is, and you can easily double the recipe if you have to feed a crowd. This is a pretty rich chocolate mousse. It's made a nice little small bowl full here, which will kind of serve my family well to enjoy over the weekend. It's Friday today, and I like making a dessert on Friday to enjoy it over the weekend, and this will be perfect. So thank you so much for watching the video for the recipe for this 2-ingredient chocolate mousse. Oh, look at that. Make sure that you leave a like, subscribe for more yummy videos just like this, and leave a comment. Let me know if you've given the recipe you've tried, any variations you've made. I look forward to reading your comments. And also remember, check down below for the link to the blog post where it has all the step-by-step instructions as well as loads of variations so you can make this chocolate mousse your own. So thanks for watching, and we'll see you again soon. Bye.